Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Priya Brishay here, and we're back with another video. And before we get started with this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. When I post a video, you'll get it. Maybe. Y'all know how I do. I come on here looking crusty, busted, and dusty. But you know, the purpose of this video is I tried to do the 7-day ACV apple cider vinegar cleanse, and you basically just take your apple cider vinegar with water in the morning, and I even done it at night out of 3 days. But y'all, I was supposed to work out with it. This Texas snowstorm almost took us out, so it just like went totally out the window. I didn't get nearly the results that I wanted. I knew that I wasn't going to be able to work out because we didn't have power and it was cold and we were in the dark. So I knew that I wasn't going to be able to work out. And then I was eating not healthy food. I wasn't even remotely eating you know, the meal prep that I made because I couldn't warm it up. So there's that. So I wasn't gonna post a video, but I decided. I went through 7 days of this, and I didn't record the 6 and the 7 day because it got repetitive, of course. And again, I was kind of like burnt out after not having power, and my anxiety was getting the best of me. So I was just over it, and I just still went ahead and drank the apple cider vinegar, and you'll see it in the video of me doing it. But and I'm gonna post the results at the end. Like I said, they're not nearly what I could have got out of this if I added my exercise like I was planning to, and maintaining what I eat at the same time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it again, and I'm gonna record my progress again, but I'm gonna add in my exercise, and I'm gonna maintain my meal prep, or just watch what I eat. You know, I'm gonna maximize the results that I can get out of this. So this is just how this went. I'm gonna insert some pictures of us being in the dark, the snow, all of that stuff. You'll see that because that's what went on this past week. And y'all, thank Jehovah, we made it through it. We made it through it, but it was a struggle. So this cleanse didn't go like I wanted it to, like I planned it to, but I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna share these results, and this is what happens when you don't work out with it. You can't use apple cider vinegar as just for weight loss only. Is the jump start, is to help you. You can't do it alone, and this is proof. Just showing you how this week go, because it was a disaster. It was kind of like an epic fail, but I did it anyway. I stayed consistent with it. And next time when I do it, I'm gonna do it a different technique with the water. So yeah, so you guys just keep on watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you for being here. I hope you guys are being safe. I'm still praying for everyone who's going through different trials with, you know, their homes, pipes bursting, all type of stuff. Y'all, we went through it. We went through it here in Texas. But yeah, so just keep on watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to smile and give a smile, because you never know who needs it.